What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work Burke. And today, we're talking about how to make $50,000 a year using your own RV. So let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to make 50 G's, that's 50K, a year using your own RV. All right, so, let's set the scene. You own an RV, but you stop taking so many trips a year because life is too busy right now and it's starting to get harder and harder to get the whole crew, the whole clan, everybody in your family, all the family around to do the family trips, right? Or maybe you're considering selling your dream vehicle because you fell into a financial hole, things not adding up right now, things are just not going your way financially, and you figure if you sell it, you could relieve some financial burden, right? Well, what if there was a really big cash cow sitting in your driveway and it's your RV and it could start making some passive income just by renting it out? Would you do it? I'm pretty sure you could probably rent it out on sites like Craigslist or maybe even Turo, but I know of an app that will actually help you rent out your RV to folks that are really into this lifestyle. It's called Outdoorsy, and it has a lot of benefits to using this site to rent out your RV. You're in control of how much you list your RV for and the schedule if you use Outdoorsy. They have a passionate community of owners who provide you with help and advice about renting out your RV to potential customers. Every trip is covered with up to $1 million of liability insurance and free roadside assistance. You get paid really quickly too. Money hits your bank account within 24 to 48 hours of trip departure. And the biggest one is that they have verified renters. They verify the renters to ensure your rig is in good hands and not someone that's going to wreck it. Know what I mean? No wreck it routes here. It's really simple how it works too. You basically create your listing on the site, accept new bookings, hand off your key, earn the cash. It's that easy. Money in your pocket. And no more just having your rig sit idle and not make any money while you're not using it. Also, if you want to scale up and make this into a business and rent multiple vehicles out, this can be a great side business for you if you have the space to store your RVs. I'll put the link in the description and you can check it out, all right? I'll definitely add a little bit more how you can scale this business up if you check out the link to the blog. But thanks for watching. And if you want to check out the Wealth Builder System to financial freedom, check out the wealthbuildersystem.com. The link is also in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how to make 50K a year using your own RV. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the wealth builders, baby. also, right, if the average person that rents out their RVs, make $50,000 a year using outdoorsy. So that's why it's how to make $50,000 a year using your own RV. Thanks for watching.